How to know if you're compatible with your current or future partner? Compatibility only happens when you can coexist with your current or future partner. When I mean can coexist, I do not mean trying to coexist with a difficult person or a toxic person. Hi, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Yinka. I'm a relationship and marriage advisor. I like talking about love, relationship, and marriage. In today's video, we'll be talking about how to know if you're compatible with your current or future partner. If you're here to subscribe to my YouTube channel, please subscribe and click on the notification bell to get notification as soon as more Love Strokes videos drops. There are some difficult people out there who do not appreciate whatever love shown to them, no matter how much you try. No, those are not the category of people we're talking about in this video. We oftentimes write down the characteristics we want a significant other to possess without minding if they can actually tick all the boxes. If your significant other can tick 7 or 8 out of your 10 boxes, I think you should consider coexisting with them. The ability to live in harmony is what compatibility is all about, and this can be fueled by adjusting to some things, in order for us not to lose a great partner. I hear a lot of people say, oh, they tick 8 out of my 10 boxes, but I have to let them go. What happened to compromise? What happened to adjustment? Do not get me wrong. If your partner is able to tick 8 out of the 10 boxes and the remaining 2 are where the toxic characteristics resides, if they are toxic to you and they are realistic to you, you have every right to break it off. You have every right to let them go. But if it is something that is not that heavy, not toxic, please do not let them go. Please hold on to them. Give them a chance. Nobody has it all. You cannot get 100% from anyone. Do not expect 100% from anyone just the way you can't give 100%. This only means no one is perfect. We all have flaws. Yes, we all do. You have flaws. I have flaws. Definitely, your significant other will have flaws. We need to be realistic. When some people lay down rules for their would-be partners, they should ask themselves, can I fulfill those rules if reverse were the case? Would I be able to, if I was in their shoes, would I be able to fulfill those rules? Realistically, you may not even be able to fulfill them. If you meet someone who loves you, is loyal, who doesn't abuse you, they are financially literate, they can make solid decisions with you in it, they understand how important you are to them, do not let them go just because of 1 or 2 boxes they couldn't tick. Remember, if you were in their shoes, you may not be able to tick the box. You may not be able to fulfill those characteristics. Please give them a chance. Love, respect, and care are the ingredients of living in harmony. If you find this in a prospective partner, please do not let them go. They love you, they respect you, they care for you, they prioritize your needs. Your happiness means so much to them. Don't lose a great person just because of a few boxes they couldn't take. Until you learn to adjust some tough expectations you expect from a prospective partners, your definition of perfection, your definitions of compatibility, all this may keep, driving prospective partners away from you. If you're ready to subscribe to my YouTube channel, please do subscribe, like, share this video, and click on the notification bell to get alerts as I drop more love strokes videos. Thank you. And if you have any love story, any video you want us to talk about, any topic you want us to talk about, kindly send us an email anonymously on the email on your screen. We will treat it all in our video. Yeah, we'll get to the bottom of it. Don't forget, I love you and I want you to be loved genuinely. Stay safe. See you in my next video. Thank you.